Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Sergey from Russia and I improve my English with this YouTube channel. Today I want to tell you how you can make interesting effect with your smartphone. This is new functionality. This is X-ray effect of your smartphone. When you look at the screen of your smartphone and move it under your hand, you can see the bones of your hand. Of course, these bones are not real bones, it's only video editing, it's only effect. First of all, you should find a green screen picture with Google and you should increase the size of this picture to fill all the screen of your smartphone. Then you should record a video where you move this smartphone under your hand. I have done this video and I've imported it into my Final Cut. Then I add this video on my timeline by pressing E button to add this part of my video. You can see what is happening in this video. Then you should find the bones of hand on the Google. I found this type of hand, and you should put this picture under your video as connection clip by moving your playhead to the start of your timeline, and then please press Q button to connect this picture or to the clip on your timeline. Then increase the size of this picture, and you have to change the shape of this hand with bones to make the form of this hand equal to your own hand. First of all, you should decrease opacity to see your own hand. Then for example, I press Shift T button to have visual transformation, and I can move this hand. As you can see, this hand is your thumb is up, but on my own picture the thumb is down, and I have to rotate this picture. I go to the scale Y and enter here minus 100%, and you can see this picture is mirroring. It's mirroring. Okay. Then I think that my own picture should be rotated a little bit. So I choose my own picture, then press Shift T button, and I rotate my own hand a little bit, for example to 5 degrees. Then I should increase the size of my hand to fill these black holes. Scale all, please, scale all. Okay, then we should move it here. Then I press right mouse button and I choose distort to change the shape of this hand, for example this way, maybe this way. If you want to change these points but we don't see them, I decrease the size move the frame, and here I see these points and I can move them. Okay, I think it that's all. I think that's all. Then I make the zoom of viewer to fit to zoom. Then I increase opacity to 100%. Then I move this picture down, and this picture is above my own hand. Then I go to the effect panel. I find keying category, and the care effect. I put this effect to my own clip, and you can see the effect. I move my smartphone, and you can see the bones of my hand, and you can see are your bone maybe your bones are broken, or maybe are not broken, and maybe all is good with your hand. If you want, you can change. I press Shift button. You can change this picture to move it better. Okay. So I think it's that's all with this effect. If you like, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. See you. Goodbye.